Hello, I'm making popsicles, strawberry popsicles because my brother Faith really wants them. So the recipe is simple. We're gonna add strawberries. They're already soaked, so now I'm cutting them. Sugar, a little water, and maybe some lemon. And then you put them in these little ice cream makers and freeze them. And the recipe is very simple. And bye. Now I will put some strawberries inside my ice cream makers. And my brother Vaith here, who wanted the popsicles, will add sugar. We put the sugar. Don't spill any.
Yeah, wait, you can go in this thing.
That?
Yeah.
Good job, Vaith. I didn't spill any drop.
Good.
We're using sugar, but you don't have to. You can add honey too.
Do you have to put strawberry inside?
Now we put the strawberries.
Did you wash them?
Yes, they're washed.
And you cut them?
Yes, of course.
Okay, good.
Okay, Vaith, you can put some in. Oh, that's lot. Yes, Vaith, it is a lot of strawberries. And then mix it? No. But first we have to add a little water. Oh. So I have a question. So when you're making it with honey, do you have to add water? Yes? A little bit? Okay. Okay, so when you're making it with honey, you have to add a little water. So the strawberries are now crushed. We didn't use much water, and now it's time to put them in the ice cream makers. Each have one cut strawberry in them, which is not crushed.
Can I put it inside? What?
Can I put the tape on?
How will you put the tape on?
I think I do it.
You can do it?
Yeah.
Can I cut it for you?
Yeah, that's good.
Somebody cut it and then
So we
make
put
the
like 3/4,
hole in
so
the
it
end. I don't like to do
expands
like that.
on freezing.
Yes.
Wow.
So you don't put too much, just a little.
So leftover you can put in some that are less.
This one doesn't have a lot.
You can finish all the. Oops.
Oops. Now we put the crushed strawberries in the ice cream makers. We have to put these on. You have to freeze them for 2-3 hours. In our case, we're gonna freeze them overnight, and then I'm gonna surprise my brother in the morning. Now the popsicles are ready. Now we dip it into this water for about a minute, and then we can give it to my little brother Vane. The popsicles have been dipped in water for 1 minute now, and now we can take the top off. Veda, come here. Here, Veda. Now I can give it to my little brother. Uh-oh. Cool. Bye.
How is it, babe?
Good.
You didn't even try it.
He just did a small lick.